Hey guys, Colin with Diode Dynamics, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at our SS5 CrossLink Windshield and Grille Lightbar kits for the JK and JL Wrangler. These kits feature our brand new SS5 LED pod. Not only are these the highest intensity 5-inch LED pod on the market with up to 90 watts per pod, but with our SS5 CrossLink light bar kits for the Jeep Wrangler, you can link 8 pods up top to create a 50-inch light bar, or if you choose our Grille kit, you'll have the option of a 4 or 2 pod configuration for an absolutely insane increase in light output off-road. We offer these kits in our 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow in our combo optic, which combines our driving and flood optics. This will shine a focus beam of light downrange at a 30x20 pattern and a spread of light directly in front of the vehicle at a 70x30 pattern. Our SS5 CrossLink light bars give you the most customization by being able to create either a curved or straight light bar. And just like our other Stage Series lights, these feature our TIR optics to direct light where you need it most. Along with the high performance of the SS5, these also have the added feature of 8 selectable backlight options at the flip of a switch, without any programming or a controller. These kits were designed, tested, and assembled right here in St. Louis, Missouri with a heavy-duty construction in mind, including our single-piece CNC aluminum crosslink brackets, unlike other options on the market that use multiple pieces between each pod. Both the JK and JL windshield brackets provide a sturdy mount for the 50-inch light bar up top, but they also feature an additional ditch light mounting point at each base. And if you're looking to add a layer of protection to your SS5s, we do offer our snap-on covers in a variety of color options. If you're looking to pick up an SS5 CrossLink light bar kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.